Go ahead, I'll wait. No, I'm not worried. Do your thing. I won't be able to see this after. Keep flying. Don't wait for me. All right, I'm taking off.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
I'm gonna do it. Okay. After your pass, I'm gonna do a fast downwind. No, you're good. Go, go, go. Okay. Doing another downwind. Thank you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Go ahead. I'm joining up with you. Okay. Yeah. It's like a purplish color. Go ahead.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's like a purplish color. The real one's that way, so I kind of made it look like the real one. All right, fast downwind pass.
North the wings off.
I'll try my best not to, but it's been going pretty fast.
One of these days, Ray, that plane is going to fall apart in the air.
Don't say that.
I'm reverse jinxing.
30 seconds. Gear down.
All right, I'm coming in.
Burn it down.
Landing flaps.
Alright, this Mustang F-14 and that dude, last
10, 9,
probably this
8,
one. This is probably going to be
7,
the last time it's
6,
right before the high.
5, 4, 3. Flaps up. 2, 1. Time expired.
It's because it's been sitting.